Hey, good morning, everybody, and happy Friday to you. This is your market update for Friday, December 2nd. I hope everybody's having a great day so far and gearing up for the weekend. So I wish I could tell you that the positive momentum from the last couple of days in both the stock market and the bond market had carried over into today, but unfortunately I cannot. The jobs numbers that came out this morning were significantly better than the market was anticipating. And as a result, both the stock market and the bond market have sold off. The stock market initially opened about 300 points down on the Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ both opened down as well. Since then, they're off their worst levels of the day, but still down. The Dow currently down about 189 points. The bond market, mortgage-backed securities, opened down 73 basis points. That's after rallying yesterday afternoon, well off of its worst levels of the day. The bond market actually closed up 33 basis points yesterday. So giving back a lot of what we've gained in the last couple of days today, unfortunately. With that said, the bond market is off of its worst levels of the day. It opened down 73 basis points, currently down only 58 basis points. At one point in time, it was down only 40-something basis points. So it'll be interesting to see if we have some kind of rally back in the afternoon today, much like we did yesterday. With the employment report or the jobs reports that came out this morning, honestly, a lot of it doesn't make sense. So it'll be interesting to see if there's any revisions that are taken into account moving forward and how the market reacts to those. For example, the ADP report showed that there were 14,000 jobs. The ADP report showed 100 jobs lost in manufacturing. Manufacturing is pretty much in a recession right now, whereas the report today showed 14,000 jobs created. Also, we know that construction right now is considerably slower than what it has been. The ADP report showed that there were 2,000 construction jobs lost, whereas the report today showed that there were 20,000 construction jobs created. So a lot of this doesn't make sense, to be perfectly honest with you. It'll be interesting to see as the market kind of delves in and digests some of this information, what other contradictions that we see and how the market reacts. So we could very well see some revisions that have a positive impact on both the stock market and the bond market. Nonetheless, we're going to end this week with interest rates that are still better than where we started, which is a great way to end the week, obviously, better than the alternative. So hopefully, next week, we'll kind of see what happens and what additional economic information is slated to come out and how that impacts the market. But in the meantime, I hope everybody has a great weekend, and I look forward to seeing you on Monday.